So other than the kickstand, because it needs adjustment, what do you think of the actual handling and the ride of this
the bike is
amazing cargo bike?
Yeah, amazing.
So this is another version of cargo bike. We're here in beautiful Finsbury Park. What can you tell us about it, Diogo?
It's a good bike, and it's a good. You can carry the stuff on it as well.
Okay, so this one has got an Enviola hub gear, Bosch cargo bike line, and lots and lots of space to carry. As you can see, there's some beer there, front, middle and back. Whereas the other one, for family use, it's an amazing setup. Very secure inside, beautifully engineered. Very powerful front lights, great suspension, batteries tucked away. And it comes with Enviola automatic hub gear and gates drive, and the additional option to have a child seat at the back. Another really nifty feature, the seat posts come centered, so you can't basically mess it around. Great features attached to it, obviously with a Bosch cargo line motor, step there for the kids, safety belts, really comfortable to ride, beautifully designed and engineered. Our verdict, we love it. Do you love it?
Yeah, we love it.